not everybody. I was working on something, but the recording again messed up because it's stupid. So you'll see all this stuff. This isn't part of the tutorial. That's we did send another video. I'll upload tomorrow, maybe today if I really want to see it. But so basically, this is our basic Discord server. What am I thinking of? Playlist. They should show me how to make a basic Discord server. And so basically, we're gonna go ahead and go to Tut. We're gonna create the channel. Oh shoot! Yeah, you need. Yeah, I'm gonna delete it just so I can show you guys the category. Delete category. Yes. This is gonna be basic permissions and staff. Only what staff can see stuff. So no server settings. Create category. Tutorial. That's nice. Well, I don't think that's how you spell it, but I can't spell. So it's just a different thing. That's in a different video how we do all that. That wasn't even that difficult. So basically, when you get into this, you'll see private channel. This thing right here. It should probably be capturing my mouse. It's not capturing my mouse. Okay, this is amazing. You know what? Is this it? Oh, I have 2 of them. That's great. Okay. Properties. Oh, it is capturing cursor. I didn't even know what it was. Sorry about that. Okay. Wait a second. Did it? Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. That's kind of annoying. So right here, private channel. You'll see. You can see the stuff. Staff. You don't need to select these other roles if they have the staff role. They'll automatically be able to see it. Create channel. I didn't even name. So this one could be or same at staff only. This can be like different stuff. That's what I channel name. You see here, only staff can type your only staff, only people with this. I'll Tatsumaki also. Let's level. Okay, that's another Tatsumaki. That's that's actually how you say it. And you can see that since I have staff, I can see it. But that's basically how we do this staff. Private ones. Now, if you want to go ahead and make it where only certain permissions, like let's say I don't want people talking to the announcements, but they can. So if we go here, and if, just everyone, or if you have like an auto role like members, you can do both of them. But there's an easier way to do this. So if we go to info, edit category, permissions, everyone. Wait, do I have a member? Do I have a member one or do I not have a member one? No, so I only need to do this. So I say they create this invite, they cannot manage the channel, they cannot manage permission. Well, this is like the category. They cannot manage webhooks, they can read, they cannot. This is the info, so they cannot text in any of the ones. Nope, they cannot. Don't unless you want people getting spammed every 3 seconds. Don't have that. I would not recommend having that. Go into nah. They can. There's none in here, so they don't even need to do that. So basically, when that's all done, this is the main how you do this. You can look at all these slowly through. See, this is that. So when we're done with this, now you do that for all the users. Oh, we should have separate stats, but that's in a different tutorial. We edit category. No, we go to welcome or the one below it, permissions, and you can see it's synced with info. It just syncs. So if you do category permissions, like if you have like in my first one I'm working on, I have a bunch of things. I have like how many roles do I have? I think I have like a bunch of roles. Server settings, roles. I have a good amount. They're not crazy roles, but I have a good amount of roles. So what I did here is I went to this, and then I edited the category permissions. I put all the permissions, right? And I didn't do the other one permission. I'm stupid. I should probably do this one, but I'll do it after. So that one, and I can just do all the categories, which would make it. I'm only doing what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like 9. 9. What am I thinking? 9 channels basically. And this is my little Fortnite, MLG team, and we've interviewed. Now we're making interviews. So if you want to be on Fuzz, you have to do an interview about basically your stats. That's why if you do is interview announcements or how to be a Fuzz member. So you can use this. You can use this Fortnite tracker. I know I'm going on this about this, but I'm just advertising this in the middle of a video. We shouldn't be doing that. We should go back to YouTube tutorial. But how we do that? You can do that, or if you want to, I can just go to let's say commands. And if I did this once because it took me forever because I was stupid. But I could just I could just slowly, just, you know, no. I could just slowly do this for each role, which would take forever. That's why I recommend you just doing each category. It'll take long, but it will go quite way quicker. And that's basically how we do the permissions. From what I do. And this here in the background, again, is another tutorial. This is just a short, you know, learn how to do those. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and use contact me or something. I don't know. Or comment. What am I thinking? I'm so dumb. But you can do that. It's just the basic stuff. And yeah, guys. Yo.